Introducing TruAmp, a compact, cost-effective, preventative maintenance tool that provides e-coat tank operators the ability to quickly view an anode cell's ion exchange membrane's remaining useful percentage of life. Armed with this valuable information, operators now have the ability to order replacements before an anode cell membrane expires, avoiding costs associated with rush orders and system downtime. Data produced by the TruAmp Logger is shown on an easy-to-read display screen. This data includes real-time DC amps, peak DC amps, amp hours, and remaining ion exchange membrane life. We offer two versions of our TruAmp Logger, TruAmp 75 and TruAmp 150. The TruAmp 75 Logger can be used on any diameter tubular cell, whereas TruAmp 150 is used on C-cells or box cell configurations. Our sales and support staff are available to walk you through the ordering process to ensure you are provided with the correct version of TruAmp as it relates to your e-coat system. To learn more about TruAmp or to place an order, call 219-464-2027 or visit us online at ufsc.com.